Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can ban someone on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. If you go to the game library, here you're gonna find the list that includes all of your games and apps. And here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. Here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. As you can see guys, right here, you're gonna find games, media. Here you're gonna find search, settings, and lastly, right here, you're gonna find your profile icon. So right now, if you want to ban someone on the PlayStation 5, you need to report the player. So if you want to do that, first of all, go ahead and click on the PS button. Right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find the home section, switchers, notification, game base, music, and so on. Go ahead and click on the game base, and then once you do that, right here you're gonna find all of your friends. Here you're gonna find your online friends and also your offline friends. In parties, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of the parties. Right here you're gonna find all of your messages, and lastly, right here you're gonna find Discord. So right now, go ahead and click on friends. And then, for example, if you want to report someone, just go ahead and click on them. And then here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of the options related to this friend. Here you're gonna find start parties, send message, share screen, invite to game, and lastly, from here, you're gonna find more. Go ahead and click on it. And then right here, you're gonna find the option to view their profile, share profile, remove as friend, and lastly, block them. So for example, I'm gonna click on view profile, and then once you're here, as you can see guys, you can view their profile. And if you click right here, as you can see guys, you can either remove them, report them, or block them. So you can click on report, and if they did a bad behavior, you can choose what they did, for example in-game behavior, and you can continue with reporting the player. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.